In the framework of the 79th Bayangkara Day, State of the Republic of Indonesia is a meaningful moment that we celebrate every year. With a long struggle on this day, as a form of gratitude for the independence, we remember the services of the heroes who bravely fought for the nation's freedom from the shackles of colonialism. Behind the independence that we enjoy, there are stories about courage, sacrifice, and unity of all the nation's children from various backgrounds. We respect the values that were established by the founding fathers of the nation with a spirit of togetherness and determination to maintain unity and diversity.